In this Paracourse lesson, we're going to model a parametric pattern like this. As you can see, we can change the number of the patterns. We can change the shape. As I'm increasing this is going to be from a triangle pattern to this. And we can also give it a thickness. So if I just put on this true, which I will explain in this tutorial, how you can make details for fabrication, you can see that it's going to produce a thickness. And we can also increase this thickness with this number. As you can see, the thickness has increased. I have produced 3 different patterns, and I have the curves which I can use for fabrication, and also produce these 3D patterns. As you can see, the extrusion just shows how the output will be.